Hello friends, welcome to the video. Here let us prove that root 2 is irrational by using the method of proof by contradiction. This method is used in mathematics to show that a statement is true by assuming that it is false and then demonstrating that this assumption leads to a contradiction, which is something that cannot logically happen. Let's solve the problem. Let us assume that root 2 is rational. We know that when root 2 is rational, a rational number can write in the form of a by b. So root 2 is equals to a by b, where a and b are co-prime integers, which means a and b have no common factor other than 1. So this point you have to remember, a and b have no common factor other than 1. So let us cross multiply. So a is equals to root 2 into b. So squaring on both sides. So a become a square and root 2 will be 2 and b becomes b square. So a square equals to 2b square. So let's call equation number 1. So in that a square is divisible by 2. So a also divisible by 2, which means 2 is a factor of a square, then 2 is a factor of a also. Now see the second part of the problem. Let a is equals to 2c, where c is some integer. So we have to substitute a as 2c in equation number 1. So from equation 1, 2c the whole square is equals to 2b square. So squaring, so 2 become 4 and c become c square. So 4c square equals to 2b square. We can divide 4 and 2. So it becomes 2c square equals to b square, which means b square is divisible by 2, which means b is also divisible by 2. Remember, so b square is divisible by 2, which means 2 is a factor of b square, then 2 is a factor of b. So therefore, a and b have at least 2 as a common factor. But we said in the beginning, a and b have a no common factor other than 1. But now we got it, a and b have a common factor 2. So this contradict the fact that a and b are co-prime integers. Why it happens? Because of our wrong assumption. So let's write our assumption is wrong. Now we can conclude that root 2 is irrational. I hope this concept is clear. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, don't forget to do the support.